بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about the abstract noun. So let's go to the whiteboard. So the question is that what is an abstract noun? If we find the definition of an abstract noun from the Google, so it defines the abstract noun it as that an abstract noun is a noun that denotes the idea, quality, or state rather than a concrete noun. These includes ideas. This also include feelings. It rather could be good or bad, and it also include qualities or disqualities. We can't touch or can't see the abstract noun. If you're still in question that what is the abstract noun, so don't worry, it clear with examples. For example, happiness, departure, ideas, intelligence, arrival, or friendship. Also, hope so that you clearly learned in this class. Never forget to like and subscribe our channel. Allah Hafiz.